exercises that are highly effective and can be easily modified to suit your fitness level. Are you ready to feel the burn? Let's get started. Our first exercise is the classic squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed outward. Keeping your back straight and core engaged, lower yourself down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Aim for 15 repetitions. Next up, we have push-ups. If you're new to this, start with knee push-ups. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor, aligning your wrists beneath your shoulders. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your core engaged, and push back up. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions. Now let's work on those abs with planks. Start in a push-up position, then lower yourself onto your forearms. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to toe, engaging your core and glutes. Hold this position for 30 seconds, gradually increasing the time as you get stronger. For a full-body workout, we'll incorporate lunges. Step forward with your right foot and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the ground. Ensure your front knee stays behind your toes. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Aim for 12 repetitions on each leg. To finish off our workout, let's get our heart rate up with jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet apart while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Repeat for 1 minute. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week. As you get stronger, you can increase the repetitions or try variations of these exercises. Stay hydrated throughout your workout by sipping on water. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop and consult a medical professional. Our hair is often called our crowning glory, and for a good reason. Healthy, vibrant hair can boost our confidence and make us feel amazing. In this chapter, I'm excited to share my personal hair care secrets, focusing on natural remedies and practices that will leave your locks looking and feeling their best. Get ready to unlock the secrets to luscious hair. First and foremost, let's talk about hair oils. Coconut oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil are all excellent choices for nourishing and strengthening your hair. Before washing your hair, warm up a small amount of your chosen oil and massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for a deeper treatment. Next, let's talk about hair masks. You can create a nourishing hair mask right at home using ingredients from your kitchen. One of my favorite recipes is a simple avocado and honey mask. Simply mash half an avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it off with shampoo. Another crucial aspect of hair care is proper washing techniques. Use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo that won't strip your hair of its natural oils. When washing your hair, focus on massaging your scalp to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. Avoid using hot water as it can dry out your hair. After washing, apply a conditioner to the lengths and ends of your hair to keep it hydrated and manageable. Once or twice a week, indulge in a deep conditioning treatment to give your hair an extra boost of moisture. Remember to be gentle when brushing your hair, especially when it's wet. Use a wide-toothed comb to detangle knots and prevent breakage. Lastly, protect your hair from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing a hat or using a hair product with UV protection. By incorporating these simple tips and tricks into your routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving the luscious locks of your dreams. Our skin is our largest organ, and it deserves all the love and care we can give it. In this chapter, we'll be diving into the world of natural skincare, using simple ingredients found right in your kitchen to achieve a healthy and radiant glow. Let's start with cleansing, the foundation of any good skincare routine. Instead of harsh chemicals, opt for gentle cleansers like raw honey or diluted apple cider vinegar. Honey, with its antibacterial properties, effectively removes dirt and impurities while moisturizing the skin. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, helps balance the skin's pH levels and minimizes pores. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter, smoother skin. A simple scrub made with sugar and olive oil works wonders. Combine equal parts sugar and olive oil to create a paste. Gently massage this mixture onto your face in circular motions, avoiding the delicate eye area. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Now let's talk about face masks. One of my all-time favorite DIY masks is a yogurt and honey mask. Yogurt's lactic acid gently exfoliates, while honey soothes and moisturizes. Mix equal parts yogurt and honey, apply to your face, and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off. Another incredibly nourishing mask is the classic avocado mask. Simply mash half an avocado and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Avocado is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. After cleansing and masking, it's time to hydrate and protect our skin. Aloe vera gel is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to the skin. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face and neck for a refreshing and hydrating boost. Lastly, don't forget about sun protection. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. By embracing these natural skincare rituals, you'll be well on your way to achieving a healthy, radiant glow that comes from within. Welcome to the final chapter of our transformational journey, where we'll be focusing on nourishing our bodies from the inside out. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with delicious and healthy recipes that will not only fuel your body, but also aid in weight loss. Let's dive into the world of nutritious eating. Let's start our day with a breakfast that will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Overnight oats are a fantastic option. Simply combine rolled oats, chia seeds, berries, and your choice of milk or yogurt in a jar. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, and voila! A delicious and nutritious breakfast awaits you in the morning. For lunch, let's whip up a refreshing and flavorful salad. Start with a bed of leafy greens like spinach or kale. Add in grilled chicken breast or fish for protein, a variety of colorful vegetables for vitamins and minerals, and a light vinaigrette for flavor. When dinner time rolls around, let's indulge in a hearty and satisfying soup. Vegetable soup is a fantastic option, packed with nutrients and flavor. Sauté onions, garlic, and your favorite vegetables in olive oil. Add vegetable broth, lentils, and herbs for a flavor boost. Let it simmer until the lentils are cooked through. Snacking can be a healthy habit too. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, opt for fruits, vegetables, nuts, or yogurt. These options provide essential nutrients and keep you feeling satisfied between meals. Remember, portion control is key. Listen to your body and eat when you're hungry. By making conscious and healthy food choices, you'll be providing your body with the nourishment it needs to thrive. And there you have it, your complete guide to transforming your health and wellness right at home. We've covered everything from invigorating workouts to nourishing hair care, radiant skin care, and delicious healthy recipes. Remember, small changes make a big difference. Start by incorporating one or two of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process of becoming the best version of yourself. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more empowering content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload.